Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is on a recent iOS and connected to Wi-Fi. Open Settings to check software and make sure Shortcuts is installed. You need it for quick actions. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and keep your device passcode handy for authentication. Next, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus to create a new automation. This is the first actionable step toward changing the host name. You now build the change. Use Shortcuts to initiate an SSH command to your Mac or generate a configuration profile that updates the hostname. Explain why. iOS itself doesn't expose hostname editing, so you use a trusted machine or profile to set the name. Make sure the hostname uses letters, numbers, and hyphens only. Once you craft the command or profile, run it and verify success in the terminal or install the profile. This commits the new hostname. Finish by confirming the new hostname under Settings General About. You should see the updated name. If the change seems delayed, reboot your iPhone or toggle Wi-Fi so network services pick up the new identifier. If it still fails, check common issues: incorrect SSH credentials, unsigned configuration profile, or local DNS cache on the network device. As a quick fix, reapply the profile/command and restart both devices to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.